Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In today's video, we're going to see how a lead can be automatically converted into a deal when the lead status is marked as qualified or any other status you choose. The leads object stores potential prospects while the deals object tracks active sales opportunities. Converting a qualified lead into a deal is crucial because it moves a prospect into the sales pipeline, helping your team focus on opportunities with real potential. Here's the flow we're setting up. The automation is triggered when a lead record is updated. It then checks if the lead status has changed to qualified. If yes, the system maps the fields from the lead record to the corresponding fields in the deals object, creates a new deal record with that information, and finally ends the automation. It all begins when a lead record is updated in the CRM. As you know, every automation starts with a trigger, which we configure in the From Objects node. Here, I wanted the automation to activate the moment a lead record is updated. Leads or lead management is a dynamic object, meaning it can be fully customized as per your business needs, unlike standard objects, which are predefined for specific functionalities. That's why I selected Dynamic Object as the type, then chose the Leads object from the Sales module. Since this automation should trigger on an update in the lead record, I set the record action to update now. I don't want every lead to be converted, only the ones whose lead status is marked as qualified. To filter this, I've used the IfExist node. The purpose of this node is to validate the value in a particular field. So I picked the lead status field and set the value to qualified. This ensures that only qualified leads will move ahead in this automation. Once the system identifies a qualified lead, the next step is mapping the information in the leads object to the deals object, because the new deal should be created based on the information of the lead. For this, I've used the field mapping node. Here I selected leads as the source object and deals as the target object. The key fields from the lead record are then mapped to the deal record. For example, the lead name is mapped to the deal name, the lead status is mapped to the deal status, and the estimated budget amount is mapped to the deal value amount. Similarly, you can map any important fields from the lead to the deal. This makes sure that all important details are carried forward automatically. After mapping, I want a new record to be created in the deals object with all this information. To achieve this, I've used the record node. Here, I selected the object as deals, since that's where the new record will be created. The record type is set as parent, and the action is create, because we want a brand new deal record to be generated from the lead. Finally, I close the flow using the end node, and that's it. Just like that, your qualified leads are seamlessly converted into deals. Fast, accurate, and effective. With this automation, the system updates the lead, checks the status, validates it as qualified, maps the required fields, creates a deal record, and ends the flow. It's a simple way to save time, reduce errors, and accelerate your sales pipeline.